It's hard to put in words what cycling means to me. I would love to do it every single day. When I was a child, I fell in love with cycling. The first thing I remember wanting was a bike. But now it's like addiction.
بابا أنت بتروح دراجة؟
إيه وإن شاء الله بروح أتمرن بعدين نرجع هنا. Whenever I feel stressed and I'll have a lot of work, I just take the bike and go. العلا is a safe place to cycle due to the low population and there is not much traffic. I like cycling all year around in العلا. The roads are the best roads I have experienced. We have multiple cycling routes. There is something for everyone, even professionals. That's why we have the Saudi tour here. Watching all the champions is like the dream come true. He has his hand underneath. العلا is a cycling paradise. But if you want, the routes can push you to your limits. It can be very difficult, very tiring. And sometimes like I feel I'm exhausted. But it's worth it. You have to go through the pain so you get to the downhill. When I go downhill, it's a rush. You feel a lot of joy. It feels amazing. You feel like accomplished. قدام والله تسووها يا عمي ما دنا العلا. The cycling community is very important to me. I love to ride with my friends and family. It helped me feel focused and kept me fit. I cannot imagine life without cycling. Cycling in AlUla is a secret that I want to share with the world.